everyone, it's Jamie with Adventures by Jamie. Kevin and I are in Orlando and we're getting ready to go on the Orlando Lake Tour. So the thing that makes this a great attraction, I mean other than you get to go on a boat ride, but it's completely accessible. So I get to stay in my wheelchair throughout the entire thing. They have a ramp and we're going to show you all of that, but it gets me right onto the boat. So looking forward to showing you all that the Orlando Lake Tour has to offer. So come along on an adventure with us. Hey guys, Future Jamie here. Wanting to give you a brief update about the Orlando Lake Tour. Now, in my intro, I mentioned that this is a 100% wheelchair accessible attraction that I would be able to stay in my chair the entire time. And come to find out, that is not necessarily true. So when I filmed the intro, I was going off information told to me by the staff. But when it came time to actually board the boat, we saw that things were a little different. So the Orlando Lake Tour does not have a ramp for wheelchairs to get on and off of the boat. So a manual wheelchair is no problem. It can easily be lifted. You know, they pull this pontoon boat up to a dock, and for the most part, it is pretty, flush with the dock. But there is a little bit of height discrepancy depending on how the tide is at that time. And when we were boarding, our boat was a little higher than the dock. So, there definitely would have been a step up that my chair would have to go over. And, my chair without me in it is over 400 pounds. So they thought that they would just easily be able to lift it, but there's no lifting my chair. And I know for the majority of power wheelchair users like myself, that's going to be pretty common, that they're very, very heavy. So what we ended up doing, is transferring me out of my chair, and I just sat in the boat in a regular seat. But I do understand that some wheelchair users are not able to sit unassisted outside of their chair. So for me, it wasn't an issue, but I do understand it could be for others. But for us, we just transferred me, put my wheelchair back in the car, and we, went along with the tour. But definitely wanted to make you all aware, if this is something you are interested in potentially doing. Again, manual wheelchairs, not a problem. Power wheelchairs, if you have a ramp, that you can bring with you, that would definitely solve the problem. If not, you would have to be transferred to be able to enjoy this attraction. So with that being said, let's get back to the video.